So I'm going to yield back, and I'm going to recognize Dr. Babin for 5 minutes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Appreciate it. Appreciate all of you expert witnesses for being here. Dr. Jacobs, as you know, the 36th District of Texas over in the southeast portion was hit especially hard by Hurricane Harvey in 2017. Additionally, Tropical Storm Imelda dumped a record amount of rainfall in my district just a few months ago in September. This storm came out of nowhere with a severity that surprised everyone and left most of my constituents without time to prepare for it. Let's jump ahead, hypothetically, just a few years into the future, where EPIC has been successfully implemented and is operating. Can you walk us through the processes of a fully functioning EPIC as the storm approaches, and how the days leading up to and immediately following a storm like Harvey or Imelda, and how that would be different?
Sure. Thank you very much for the question.
Yes, sir.
So EPIC, the fully successful EPIC will happen, pardon the pun here, but way upstream from these precipitation events. So what would happen is, when you look at the National Water Center, which is a fantastic center, they got the National Water Model. It's a very successful program. But if there is one weak link in the National Water Model, it's that we have to forecast properly where the rain's going to fall. Otherwise, we don't know where the runoff is going to go. And so having EPIC be the center where we actually feed in inputs to improve the forecast of prediction of rain will then subsequently improve the prediction in the hydrological models. So a lot of this will happen months to years in advance. But you will see the improvements of those actual forecasts find their way down into, things like, not just hydrological models, but also biological and ecological models as well.
Sure. Okay. And I also serve as the ranking member of the Space Subcommittee here, with the privilege of representing Johnson Space Center. I know the impacts that one government facility can have on an entire region. As it stands, EPIC will be a virtual center that will have tremendous benefits by operating in the cloud, both in terms of cost and innovation. Again, looking ahead to years down the road when EPIC will be running smoothly and surely will be the gold standard at that time, is there a scenario where a physical center rather than a virtual center could be beneficial to EPIC's mission?
Absolutely. So thank you for allowing me to clarify this. I have often referred to EPIC as a virtual center because EPIC, when it's listed in the budget proposal, was as $15 million. And I didn't want anyone in the budgeting process to think I was planning to actually build a brick and mortar center for only $15 million. So when we put out the RFP, EPIC will have to live somewhere. There will have to be people in seats at computers in some type of facility, whether it's a university or other facility. There will have to be a physical center. In addition to that, if we have the opportunity to expand this program, it's entirely probable that we would need an additional physical center for this somewhere.
Right. Yes, sir. Dr. Mass.
Well, even if we're very successful at creating the best weather prediction system in the world, we're still going to need the computers. So if we don't have vastly increased computer resources, we're not going to be able to deliver the forecasts that we really want to. That's really important.
Understand. Thank you. Well said. I'll yield back, Madam Chair. Thank you very much.